What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I woke up not bright and early, but I woke up pretty early to get this video done because today is New Year's Eve, y'all. So first things first, I want to say Happy New Year's to everybody. Listen, 2023 is up for everybody. Listen, y'all, we gotta up it for 2023. Y'all already know from the title what this video hitting for, right? And y'all already know this is my favorite time of the year, y'all. It's literally been, I want to say, at this point, I kind of lost track because the last natural hair video I uploaded, I believe I was wearing yellow. That video was uploaded literally months later. I could say like maybe 1 or 2 months. So I don't know if my braids has been in for 4 months, 5 months, or 6 months, y'all. And I've never left my braids in for longer than 4 months, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all, my hair look crazy. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But you guys already know this video is going to be in 3 parts. The takedown, the deep condition and blow dry, and then the straightening part, y'all. Because if I put everything in one video, y'all, this video will be too long and too much editing, and I don't just got time for that. Like I said, I woke up early because I know this process is going to take forever, y'all. It is 12 o'clock, okay? I'm kind of scared because my hair is like really matted. I don't know why I did this to myself, but we're not gonna really do much talking. Let's just get into this video. First is somber hair. I love this style, but baby, it gotta come out. It gotta come out. I have church tonight at 9 o'clock. I at least want to be done. I feel like I could be done at 4 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, I feel like I could be done. It's 12 o'clock now, y'all. Let's see what time we finish. So, enough rambling, enough talking. It's giving scalp. We about to start taking off this wig, and you guys are gonna see my braids. Like, you guys are really gonna see my braids, y'all. No judging. No judging. No judging. Cause baby, this is the secret to hair growth. So anybody got anything negative to say? You're bald and you have no edges. Plain and simple. Cause there's always that one person that gotta say something. For the girls who get it, we get it. And our hair is long, healthy, and flourishing. For the negatives, exit. Because you know what? You're going to be blocked. Like always. And I have no problem blocking nobody. Let's get into this video. So first things first, I'm going to take off this wig, of course. This wig is glueless, so I'm going to pull it straight off, y'all. Don't worry. It's no harm to my edges. No nothing. Okay? And y'all, when I say this is like no harm, like none of my baby hairs is on the lace. Like, this is literally no harm. Oh my god! I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. Okay. Y'all, I look like I have like a low fade or something. I don't know. Let me look at my garbage can, because I know the shedding about to be crazy. And I got 4 braids in my head, y'all. You would have thought I had none. So y'all, this is how my braids is looking. Last time I did a length check. I'm gonna put it on the screen, of course, you guys know, like always. I don't know where my hair is at right now. The last time, I don't remember where my hair was at. That was so long ago, like literally so long ago. And like I said, I believe my braids have been in for either I want to say 4 to 5 months. I feel like I'm pushing it with 6, because I would never, I don't know. Hopefully 4 to 5 months, I feel like my hair has been in. So I'm going to show you guys my hair, y'all, okay? Don't judge me. And my edges still there. They just push back with, what you call that? Whatever. But, okay, y'all, look at my braids. Y'all see a part? Because I don't see a part in my hair. Bro, where is the part? My hair is matted, y'all. When I say matted, literally matted. Like, where is the part? Where is the part? Where is it? So, we're gonna go ahead and start by taking one braid out. And you guys know, you wanna know what's so funny? This was supposed to be a braid out, y'all. That's what it was. This was supposed to be a braid out. I did a whole video on everything, and I feel like I just never went back to the braid out. That's why my braids are out like this. You guys know I usually connect my braids. This was supposed to be a whole braid out, y'all. And I'm letting you guys know right now, the shedding I'm about to get is normal, okay? It's normal. Don't be alarmed. It's normal, y'all. My hair's been away for 5-6 months, so don't worry. So let's go ahead and start this takedown. First things first, you guys know I'm going to be going in with my Reese Feminity's Tea Rinse Spray. Y'all, if your hair is ever matted, I live by this. And I love my girl Reese for even putting me onto this. I never knew nothing about no tea rinse spray. But y'all, you guys see how my hair is matted? Literally. When I tell you I put this stuff on it, this stuff is like magic. God made this himself. He came down to her and gave her the secret for this stuff. Like, I don't understand. Like, this stuff is the best. So I'm gonna be spraying this as I go and let it, and of course I'm gonna be combing it out. A lot of you guys tell me to do this on wet hair. Y'all, if I do this on wet hair, I would literally have to cut my hair. What works for me works for me, and what works for y'all works for y'all. I wish I could do it on wet hair, but y'all, dry it is, honey. Dry it is. This braid out would have been so fire. But y'all, do y'all see this? Bruh. What? Might as well just get dreads at this point. just had to come back here and show you this. This is like, sorry, my head is itching, of course. This is like, because my braid is right here. So my hair has grown out this much. I would say that's about 2.5 inches of new growth, or 3 inches, y'all. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a lot of new growth. I see why it's crazy. I'm never going this long again. I think the longest I'm going to do is 3 to 4 months. 5 to 6, I ain't jacking it. I mean, it's not bad, but my neck is all tight and hurting from like trying to comb it out. Let me just get this last braid done, y'all, and I'll be back. Now, y'all, it took me an hour to detangle my hair. My hair wasn't even like tangled towards the ends. It was more so just the roots, I guess, because I sweat a lot when I go to the gym. But surprisingly, my hair does not stink at all. It just smells like hair, if that makes sense. I don't know. But it took me an hour to detangle my hair. Thank God to this T-Rinse spray. I know I showed another one in the beginning. I don't know what's wrong with my nozzle on that one, but this is the same thing. It's a different bottle. Thank God to this T-Rinse spray. This T-Rinse spray has hibiscus flower, oat straw, peppermint, oils, and a fragrance that smells mad good. And y'all, when I tell you this freaking T-Rinse spray is the holy grail, like I live by this. Shout out to she introduced me to this T-Rinse spray, and I'm glad, because literally I don't know what I would do to detangle my hair. I'll probably put conditioner or something. Like, I wouldn't know what to do. So shout out to UVs. And this is gonna be down below. Her whole website is gonna be down below. She's the same one who I got the hair growth oil from. So yeah, that's gonna be in another video though. But right now I'm about to go wash my hair. This is the end of this video though, y'all. This is the end of this video. Let me check what will be in the second video or the last video. I'm not sure yet. But this is the end of this video. I'm about to go wash my hair and deep condition. My deep condition is gonna really be deep conditioning. Like, I'm gonna leave that in for almost 2 hours because y'all, so this is what I use for deep condition. I live by this. The silicone mix bamboo. Live by this. Is the same thing I use on my wigs, y'all, and it brings my wigs back to life, looking like I just put a whole new wig. Silicone bamboo mix. Go and get it. Everything I use is going to be linked in my bio in my Amazon storefront. So check that out, y'all. And this is what I use to shampoo and condition my hair. You guys know I live by Aussie Moist. I really love the avocado, but they didn't have the conditioner, so I just got 2 separate ones. It doesn't change anything. I just like the smells. This is mad hair, y'all. Mad hair. Do you guys see this? Like, this is crazy. This is insane. I feel like I haven't had this much since, like I said, my son, since having my son, but it's all dead hair. And like I said, this is normal, so oh well. But this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and look forward to part 2 and part 3, because baby, that's coming up. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
Bye.